It is video time.
Are we already filming?
Yeah, I'm already filming.
Alright,
Hot!
Yeah.
Okay, so... Day 32. Juno continues to snow. Just kidding.
Oh, we have a chocolate cake!
Well, we made a cake.
Check, you have to see this.
Yeah. It's pretty sweet. Just walk into the apartment, it's like, poof, chocolate smell.
Yes.
So, yeah. Anyway, so as you can see, we've been cleaning up the area book. Scattered papers obviously means cleaning up the area book, but you know, we've been eating a lot of candy, going through the stack of CDs that was here, seeing some of the cool stuff that they've got, lots of good music, lots of good talks.
Oh, tell them about the importance of tracking and keeping good records, because this is...
Yes, there's so many names that we have here on these lists of people that previous missionaries have tracked it out, and you know, they've got amazing comments on them. They've got their addresses, and you know, sometimes they're even phone numbers, and that's awesome. So write everything down, you future missionaries and maybe current missionaries, I don't know. And Juno, she's still out there. We've gotten like, I don't know if you can see this, but there's seriously like a foot of snow now, if not more.
On our balcony, which is covered by another balcony.
That's right. There's a balcony up there, but there's still snow in our balcony. So
it's like 2 feet of snow.
It's intense. It's likely high. So yeah, that is all for now. But stay tuned. There will probably be more later. It's Peterborough, others, over and out.
It's a lot like Christmas.
It's beginning to look a lot less like Christmas.